as an organic dairy farmer, Arla's incentive model is very effective because the business pay us to be climate smart. It's a motivation for the farmers to be more sustainable. It's also very important that the young farmers educated so they learn all the new skills.
We have to be able to change the way we're farming according to how surroundings are changing climate-wise. The crop types we're using today, I think we need to have more grassland. We need to be open to new crop types. The role of agriculture is also to make sure that we can deliver new products. We should not only talk about food, but we're also going to deliver fibers and simple nutrients or all kinds of things to other industries.
The most important is that we have a government who help us to become sustainability and make some rules so we know what to do in the future, because it's important for the new farmers and the young farmers to know if there will be a business case in the future. So the rules have to be clear, that there will be a motivation for making climate smart farming so we can go on helping to have an intensive food production, but also together with more biodiversity and sustainability. So we go hand in hand and help, so the farmers help with some of the big challenges in our country.
I think there's a big future for young farmers, as the technology will become a very big part of it, and we will need educated young farmers to move our agriculture forward and keep everything running, because we will always need food.
It's very important in the future that the Danish agriculture is capable of fitting itself into the changes which will come.
The farmers will be a part of the solution of sustainability and for the climate. So we still are strong food security, trustability about our food also. That the farms in Denmark, both organic and conventional, will be a part of the solution of all the big challenges we stay in front of for the whole world, I think.
If I should say one thing to the young farmers of this generation, it is just to be very curious of the future and to investigate new options and new possibilities for both the farming and the people that are going to farm.